Alright, so it's raining here on La Palma. It's not very typical, it's mostly sunny here, but nowadays it's raining a lot. I went for a run earlier today and I got completely soaked. It was pretty insane. But anyway, I just wanted to ask you guys if you have any questions regarding running. Write them in the comment section, because I'm gonna make a video on my other channel about running where I answer questions about running basically. So any questions at all related to running in any way, shape or form, post them in the comment section down below and I'll make a video for you on the other channel. Anyway, I'm almost home now. I managed to stay dry, although my wet running clothes are in a bag in my backpack. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.